You're so funny, babe. The things that you'd fight on. Come here, turn your head.
Hold up. Oh my god. That's going on Reddit.
At all.
Jesus.
Oregon. Recording my hour and like my to what extent is it special? It's special to me.
Does it get on your nerves saying special? It got on my nerves really quick, and I'm trying to find a way to not say it anymore. So I keep saying like, my recording.
Wow. Trying our operating team. Let's get to the news, and let's start with the coaching carousel, which it's coming to a stop. Every head coaching spot is now filled. Today, we learned months ago whether or not, something. Oh my god! What the f? What the f? Oh my.
Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. Here we go.
Ah! Open net! LOL! Is it fucking crazy? LOL. Je pense que j'ai skippé
What's the matter? What's wrong? I didn't do shit to you.
I called it bad just today. You hit me with a call to your place. Ain't been out in a while anyway. Was hoping I could catch you by smiles on my face.
Okay, here's the first instance where we meet, me and this biker. He turns right, he comes all the way from the right lane, he's gonna get all the way to the left lane, and then he's gonna proceed to go very, very slow, or brake very, very hard on me. Now, I wanna know why. How are you on a two-wheeler, and you don't do what I just did? Like, bro, you on a two-wheeler, you're faster, quicker, more acceleration, much better handling, and I showed him how it was done. So I guess this guy, his feelings hurt. It really hurt his ego. Like, oh, you think you think you're better than me, or you think you're more manlier than me. Like, you should have been did this. Now, I want to let you guys know, in Florida, they're going to pass a bill that you don't need a permit to conceal carry anymore. So everyone has a gun. I recently watched a video of a 12-year-old going inside of a middle school with a gun in his book bag. It's like, bro, hey, you can get shot by a 12-year-old these days. Relax, biker.